Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to perform an activity of mathematics. The aim of the activity is to prove the area of triangle by graphical methods. So, let's discuss some theory related to this activity. We all know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. But if we are provided with the coordinates of point, then so now let us make a triangle ABC. Where let us suppose the coordinates of point A is equal to x1, y1. Coordinates of point B is equal to x2, y2. Coordinates of point C is equal to x3, y3. So our area of triangle will be equal to half x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2 square units. The material required in this activity are drawing board, plain sheet of paper, pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener, graph paper, sketch pen and drawing pins. So now let's begin the activity. I have already plotted the coordinate axis. I have used sketch pen for better visibility. You should always use a pencil. So this is our positive x-axis represented as x. This is our negative x-axis represented as x dash. This is our positive y-axis represented as y. This is our negative y-axis represented as y dash. So our origin is here, that is represented as O. So now in order to make triangle, we have to assume some coordinates. So I have taken the three coordinates as -2, 0, 3, 3 and 4, 0. You can take any. So first of all we will plot coordinates of point A, that is -2, 0. So -2, 0 is here. Next, coordinates of point B, that is 3, 3, which will lie here. Coordinates of point C, that is 4, 0, that is here. So now I am going to join these points with the help of scale and sketch pen. So this is our point A. The coordinates of point A is -2, 0. Coordinates of point B is 3, 3. Coordinates of point C is 4, 0. So we can say that all the x coordinates are called as abscissa and all the y coordinates are called as ordinate. So our abscissa are -2, 3 and 4 and ordinates are 0, 3 and 0. So in order to find area of triangle with the help of graph, we have to identify number of complete squares. So carefully look at the graph. Number of complete squares is equal to this one complete square, which I am shading and coloring as blue color. Second, third, fourth, I am considering this as full square. So our number of complete squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of complete squares are equal to 5. Now we will find out number of half, more than half and less than half squares, and we will take them as half. So which are this, that is less than half square, this is more than half square, this is more than half, this is less than half, this is more than half, this is more than half square, and this is less than half. So when we count all these squares, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have in total 8 more than half, less than half or half squares. So we are taking each as half, so we have to divide 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So now total number of squares becomes 5 plus 4, that is 9. Our area of square is equal to 9 square units. So now we will verify the same with the help of area of triangle given by coordinate geometry. So coordinates of A was -2, 0. Coordinates of point B were 3, 3. Coordinates of point C were 4, 0. So now area of triangle is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So now x1 is equal to -2, y1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 4 and y3 is equal to 0. So now substituting the values in above equation, we have, which is equal to half, x1 is -2, so -2 bracket y2, that is 3 minus 0 plus x2, that is 3 bracket y3, that is 0 minus y1, that is again 0 plus x3, that is 4 bracket y1, that is 0 minus y2, that is 3. So when we solve these brackets, 3 minus 0 with 3 plus 3, 0 minus 0, 0 plus 4, 0 minus 3, minus 3. When we solve further, -2 into 3, 6, minus 6 plus 0, minus 12. So half minus 6 minus 12, which is equal to minus 18. So minus 18 by 2, which is equal to minus 9. So we all know that area of triangle is always positive. So our area of triangle comes out to be 9 square units, which is definitely equal to the value of area of triangle achieved by graphical method. So I hope you understood how to calculate the area of triangle by graphical method. Thank you and have a nice day.